Picture this, you're walking in the park, browsing online, or posting a selfie, and somewhere an AI system is quietly analysing your face, your movements, and even your online habits. Creepy, right? That's the growing reality of AI surveillance. In today's video, we'll break down how this works, why it matters, and most importantly, how to protect yourself with simple, practical steps. Hi everyone, we're OneConnect CIC, a social enterprise based in Glasgow. We empower individuals by increasing technology and digital participation. Part of our profits go towards running free IT classes and befriending events in the community. AI surveillance tools are everywhere. They use technologies like facial recognition to identify individuals in public spaces, and behaviour tracking to analyse what you do online, from the websites you visit to the posts you like on social media. Governments, corporations, and even apps can collect this data to profile you, often without your knowledge. Governments can use this for security, while companies use it for advertising. But the danger is clear, your privacy is at risk. Once collected, this data can be sold, shared, or even hacked. That's why understanding how to protect yourself is so important. Using a VPN. First, let's talk about VPNs, virtual private networks. A VPN masks your online activity by encrypting your internet connection and routing it through a secure server. This makes it much harder for surveillance systems to track your browsing habits. Here's how it works. Download a trusted VPN app. Examples are NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, and ProtonVPN. Once you've installed the VPN, the next step is simple. Open the app and select the server location. Most VPNs give you a list of countries or cities to choose from. For example, you might want to connect to servers in London, New York, or even Tokyo. This changes your virtual location, which can help you access region-restricted content while also protecting your privacy. After you connect, your IP address is hidden, and your activity is encrypted. Think of your IP address like your home address online. It tells websites and services where you are. By hiding it, the VPN makes it look like you're browsing from somewhere else, so trackers can't easily identify you. At the same time, encryption scrambles your internet traffic into unreadable code. Even if someone intercepts your data, say on public Wi-Fi, all they'd see is gibberish. This means your browsing history, passwords, and personal information stay secure. Adjusting privacy settings. Next, let's look at privacy settings on social media. Many platforms collect more data than you realise, but you can limit what they see. Let's look at Facebook, since it's one of the most common platforms. Here's a quick walkthrough on how to lock down your account. Tap the menu icon and go to Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy Checkup. This is Facebook's built-in tools to guide you. Here, adjust who can see your posts. Instead of public, choose friends or even only me for sensitive updates. Review your profile details, like your phone number, email, and birthday, and limit who can see them. Turn off location tracking so Facebook doesn't log where you are every time you post. Check which third-party apps are connected to your account and remove any you don't use. Discover more expert tips and tutorials on our website. Need help boosting your digital skills or online business? Get in touch with our team for personalised support. Check our website in the description below. Be mindful of what you share. Finally, remember, the best defense against surveillance is awareness. Every time you share a photo, check in, or share personal details online, ask yourself, who can see this and do they really need to see it? Let's look at two examples. On the left, oversharing. Posting your exact location, tagging your friends, and sharing personal details like your birthday or workplace. On the right, mindful sharing. Posting a photo without location tags. Keep personal details private, and limit visibility to close friends. Oversharing makes it easy for surveillance systems, advertisers, or even strangers to build a profile of you. They can track where you go, who you're with, and what you like. Mindful sharing, on the other hand, keeps your digital footprint smaller and harder to exploit. Here are a few quick tips to keep in mind. Avoid posting your exact location in real time. Share later if you want. Limit personal details in your bio, like phone number or address. Use private accounts or restrict posts to friends only. Think twice before sharing sensitive moments. Once it's online, it's hard to get back. So to recap, AI surveillance is real. You can protect yourself by using VPNs, adjusting privacy settings, and being mindful of what you share. These steps make a big difference. Whether you're learning to spot scams, use your camera, or connect to Wi-Fi, we're here to support every step of the way. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more tech tips and tutorials. Want to learn more? Visit our website below. For in-depth articles and expert advice, we're here to help you level up your digital skills.